Note, this is actually the wagon trunk lock thing. Never could figure out why on this one this thing will move up and down like this. See how this easily moves up and down? But on a new one, no matter how hard you get at it, it just won't move up and down. I was like, well, are they different? And what it is this rod, even though it's threaded on one end, those threads don't screw into anything. They basically click in from the side. So what I mean by that is, if you, not in the up position, it'll go, come on baby, not in the up position like that, but only in the down position. If you hold that down with one hand, and you pull up on this rod with the other hand, it pops up. It's kind of hard to film, but I'm just going to hold this. Film. Pull this with one hand, and then I'm pulling on just the rod. Notice how that black plastic part came out? Now it doesn't move again. So basically what you're doing is, it'll move, you grab it down here only. It will move with the rod only. But in order to get the rod out of there, it doesn't screw into this black area. You just hold the bottom and pull up on the rod. Instead of the whole thing coming up, only the black insert can do it. There, only the black insert on the inside comes up. Now, if you look at it, it looks like it's threaded in, but it really isn't. You just kind of click it out to the side like that, and it's loose. And then you just click it back in, click, and then push it back in, and that's how that works. That's how you transfer the rod from one of these to a new one. That's also why these don't come with a rod. That's how you install it. So don't try to unscrew them, don't try to pull those out of there per se. Just like right now, without holding this part down, simply pulling on the rod as hard as you can, it's never going to come out of there. It just won't. I mean, you can break it out of there, I'm sure, but if you hold on to the bottom and then pull the rod until the black insert comes out, now you can take it out the side. That's why I always wondered on these damn things when I went to go just pull the rod out like this. I'm like, why won't it come out? And I'm sitting there spinning it. Hey, why won't it unthread? What makes that thing stay in there? That's what it is. That's how you can transfer the rod and this little spongy thing to the next assembly.